Hi guys, very good afternoon. This is Zamir Sheikh. So welcoming you to the PowerPoint for Beginners series. Today we are going to talk about how to use the smart art to become more smart. Okay, so there's a lot of smart art graphics that are available in PowerPoint. So the version which I'm currently using is 2016. So let me tell you how it can be handled with effectively. So many of us generally use all the slides, right, with lot of content, something of this sort. So how do you use that? So you use these things and all. So but see, these are very plain and very simple text kind of a thing, which might not generate that kind of enthusiasm among the audience of yours. Okay, so now what we need to do, so we can make a very simple changes to these texts. So and there is a lot of pre-built algorithms inside the PowerPoint like SmartArt, which helps us create a visually impacted view of the generating to generate the existing text. Okay, so how do you do that? So let us assume there's a hierarchy kind of level. We're talking about the two areas. Okay, let us assume this content usually to be aware that I'm just setting Andhra Pradesh, Mumbai, Delhi, so that I can gain more and more what was the curiosity among you guys. Okay, so let's talk. This is just for a sample purpose. So now the client title is there, your body content is there. Now how do you just select this entire content? You can do by clicking on Control A, or you can do by dragging the mouse. Okay, now go here. Just click on the Smart Art. Now there's a lot of options you get here. See, there's a process. Everything as a Smart Art is divided with all the ways it can be done. So there can be the content which can be just like a list. It could be like process. It could be like a cycle. It could be hierarchy, relationship, matrix, pyramid, picture. Okay, if you want to add some images to that, then and define something, then you can use a picture process also. So let's choose this and the okay, as this is a hierarchy kind of thing, let's choose the hierarchy kind. Okay. Now click the basic model just for the sample sake. You can have all these layouts there. Okay. Okay. Just a moment. Let's not do that. Uh, let's go to home. Let's convert to smart art graphics. Okay. Let's go to more smart art graphics. Go to hierarchy. Go to choose option. Okay. Now you are able to see this. Isn't it more visually attractive compared to the last slide? So the where you have only text and all. Now you have all. You can have the options like, okay, you can choose any of the options you like. So you can choose any of the color combinations, and these are all predefined color combination. And apart from this, you can choose the combinations which you want. Okay, you can just have outlines decide, or you can have the fill with the various colors options, dark, and it could be a monotone colors which you can monochromatic colors which you can use. Okay, it be alternate, or what do you say, contrast colors also which you can use based on the requirements which you want to do. Okay, this is one of the ways of using the sample for the smart art graphics. So this is very fantastic thing to make it more visually attractive. Now how do you do that? What else you can do in the smart art graphics? So now suppose you want to say, okay, I have to add a city called Goa in this. Now how do you do that? Just click on one of the boxes, go here, this add shape option. Okay, you have to click on add shape, either before or after, it depends. Okay, you can just click on below before, this is an example, and you can click get content from the that's it. Okay, Goa. Now you say, okay, Goa is not under Andhra Pradesh, so you want to move it to the above as a separate state. Okay, now what you will do, you can just click on this. These are option like promote and demote. Okay, promote is to take the hierarchy to the next level, above level. Now you got it? Got it. So that's how it is. Now you can again go for a demote. Okay, like click on this demote. Got it? Now you can even move down. Move down means move down, move up means they will change the spaces into horizontal way. Okay. Now got it? How you can do this? This is one of the options which you can do, and you can just remove the shape also, and you can add. below. And okay, now you feel that this is not the layout you want to look for. You want to look for more options, you can just check it out. If you think you want to put some images for those respective states, like suppose Andhra Pradesh, you can put some Amravati, or Delhi, you can put some Qutub Minar, Mumbai for India Gate and all. So you want to, you can use this option. Because these are, you can just try and work on various layouts. This is one of the models. Okay, so hierarchy models, this is how it is, and you can change any of the colors. And if you want to change specifically each block, then you have to click on that. You can just click on that, go to format option here, go for the shape fill. Got it? So this is how you can use the smart ads. So this makes your data more visually attractive. Let me go for another example. This is very sample content from the lawrence.lipsum.com. So now let's understand what else we can do. So let's convert to list model. Okay, let us go here, go for a list, and suppose you want to click it as a boxes. So this is how it looks like. So isn't it more attractive than compared to the last slide? So this is how you have put the content into boxes. Now if you want to add some images, let us assume, so you can just convert this to layout to this. Okay, you can convert it as a pointer, so you can convert it as a list. Very simple. This is very simple graphic that is predefined in the PowerPoint that can make your what do you say, slide look more attractive compared to the just plain text. So there are a lot of options to play with. Now you can decide on how do you play with these options. Okay, you can use these images. You can there's a lot. It's a predefined one, so it makes your life more easier. Okay, there are certain restrictions to certain layouts. Otherwise, it should be fine with everything. Okay, there is a pyramid option. Okay, if you want to showcase some pyramid option, so let us assume that now you want to give alternate boxes. Go to design. You can change colors. You can go to a multicolor option. You can go to monochromatic colors with the same color options. Okay, you can go only for outlines, so it depends again. And apart from this, there are a lot of options available for the 3D and all, so you can make them 3D boxes. These are all predefined, so you don't have to put much effort here. So you can just choose whichever is apt for you, or whichever you feel that it's better for you to showcase to our audience. And you can, this is one of the best options which I generally prefer. There is a gradient option, the gray color, which is generally moderate and effective. These two, and these are 3D options. Okay, it just defines lets you know. And now if you want to convert back them to the text, okay, let's assume that you don't want to go and convert text, you can just go to convert to text in the option. Okay, this is how it looks like, and this how the smart art graphics work. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much.